Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. We are discussing chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. In previous videos you learned large number in practices and we have solved the exercise 1.2 also. Then what about today's class? In today's class we are going to discuss about estimation. Estimation means it is a roughly calculation, okay, the approximate value which we are using in day-to-day's many various situations, okay. For example, you take wedding in your home. Wedding is there and you don't know how many people are coming into that wedding party, so we are doing their rough calculation. It may 500, it may 1000. We are doing a rough calculation, no, means it is a approximate value of the given number. So for that only we are calling estimation. It is a approximate value. So let us take some examples from your exercise 1.3, and that is estimate the following sums using the general rule. So before that I have to solve some examples, then I will go to this exercise. So for that, to round off the number means to estimate the number, to write the approximate value of the number, you need to know one trick. And here there are two trains will come, that is train number 1 and train number 2. There are two trains, train number 1 and train number 2, and here you write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, train number 1, train number 2. In train number 1, 4 digits will come, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in train number 2, no, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here one more digit will come, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if the number is there in train number 1 means there is no need to add 1, and if the number is there in train number 2 means you need to add here 1. In which place? While solving the examples, no, I will explain. So let us take one example. 989 plus 796. I took this example from your exercise 1.3, and the question is there, estimate the sum by using general rule. Okay, here you need to find the actual sum. There is no need, but I will find here actual sum also and the estimated sum also. So first you have to find the actual sum, and here I will find the estimated sum. In previous year you learned how to round off nearest to tens, how to round off nearest to hundreds, how to round off nearest to thousands, and how to round off 10,000 place. I hope you are getting my point. You have to you already learnt in previous class, but then also in this class also you are going to learn about this only. General rule means, see here how many digits are there? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1, tens, hundreds. Means here you have to round off nearest to hundreds. If 4 digits are there means you need to round off here, round off to thousands. If 5 digits are there means 10,000 place. General rule means here how many digits are there, no, that you have to take and round off the number. So let us find the actual sum of this question, and this question I took from your exercise 1.3, page number 12. So find here 989 plus 796. 9 plus 6 is 15. Yes, and 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17. So 1785 will be the actual sum of this given question. Then how to find the estimated sum? Yes, for that you have to see this trick, train number 1 and train number 2. So here first question what is there? 789 is there. So nearest to hundreds is there means you have to see its what? Tens place. See here, ones, tens, hundreds. If nearest to hundreds is there means you need to see the tens place. Then see here tens place what is there? It will come in train number 2. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is there. Yes, here it is there in tray number 1. Then you need to add 1 in this 9th place. So 9 plus 1 is 100 place. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, then remaining term becomes 1000. So this is nearest to round off nearest to 100 place. I hope you are getting my point. See here. We are rounding off here nearest to hundreds. Nearest to hundreds is there, means you need to see tens place, and it will come in tray number 2. Then if it will come in tray number 2 means you need to add 1 in this 100 place. 9 plus 1 is 10 and you make remaining digit as a 0. Next again you add here plus, then see here 796 is there. So take here ones, tens, hundreds, and I have to see this tens place. So 9 will come in tray number 2. Then I have to add 1 in 100 place. 7 plus 1 is 8. And this remaining terms becomes 0. So add here 0 plus 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 8 is 8 and 1. So this is the actual sum and this is the estimated sum. But in this question no, only is there estimate the following sums using the general rule is there. Then you have to find both the answers, actual sum also and estimated sum also. So let us take one more example. I will take here 24,196 plus 19,204. So here I will take actual sum and here estimated sum. Actual sum, estimated sum. So take this 24,196 plus 19,204. Add here 6 plus 4 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again you 4 plus 9 is 13. 2, 3, 4. So 43,400. See here 6 plus 4 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 2, 3, 4. So this is the actual sum. Then what is this estimated sum? So here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 place is there. What is there? 10,000 place is there. See here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 is there. Means you need to see this 1000 place. So the 4 will come in tray number 1 or tray number 2. It will come in tray number 1. Then there is no need to add here 1, 2 as it is and remaining digits 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the estimated sum of 24,196. Next again ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 places there, means you need to see this 1,000 place. Yes, so 9 is there. So 9 will come in tray number 2. Then you need to add here 1. So it becomes 2. This 9 becomes 0, 0, 0. So add here 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 plus 1 is 2. So its round off number is 40,000. Is it clear? Next, here one more question is there, and that is find the estimated sum, find the difference by using the general rule. You have to follow the same method, but here you need to subtract. Okay, you need to subtract. And one more is there, estimate the following products using the general rule. You have to follow the same procedure, but you need to multiply here. So let us take one example, and I will take here 4,952 minus 493. Okay, so here I will found, you know how to find the difference, actual difference, and here estimated difference. estimated difference. So find here actual difference, how much is there? 4952 minus 493. Next, 2 minus 3 not possible, take carry. 12 minus 3 is 9. Next, 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Next, 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. And here you take it as a 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. So the actual difference is 4459. So let us see the estimated difference. So already you know we are using here general rule. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand is there. Thousand is there means you need to see here 100 place. So 100 will come in tray number 2. Then you need to add 1 in 1000 place. 4 plus 1 is 5 and remaining terms becomes 0. Next, minus, see here 493 is there. Ones, tens, hundreds. Then you need to see here tens place. So tens place is there, digit is 9. Then you take it as a what? 9. 9 is there means you have to add here 1 because it is there in tray number 2. 4 plus 1 is 5 and remaining terms becomes 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 0 minus 5 not possible. You take it as a carry, 10 carry and it becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4500 will be the estimated sum of the given number. I hope you are getting my points. Next, here I have solved here second main. Only 3 examples are there. Among them I have solved here 1 example. Remaining you do as a homework. Okay, general rule means here see ones, tens, 100, 1000 place is there means you have to round off 1000 place. 100 place is there means you have to round off 100 place and you have to know this trick also. And while solving the examples, in one corner you write this and solve the examples. Next, one more example I will take and that is third main. Estimate the following by using general rule. So 52 into 108. So this is actual product. Here I will write actual product and here estimated product. Estimated product. Estimated product. So take this example 52 into 108 or 108 into 52. Both are correct. So I will take here 108 into 52. So solve 2 8s are 16. 2 into 0 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 1s are 2. Next here you leave one place. 5 8s are 40. 5 into 0 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 1s are 5. 6 1, 2 plus 4 is 6, again 5. See here 2 8s are 16, 2 into 0 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 1s are 2, 5 8s are 40, 5 into 0 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, 5 1s are 5. Next here I did the addition. So the actual product is 5616. Next you take here estimated product. So here I have to round off nearest to what? Nearest to tens. Yes, ones, tens, hundreds. So ones, tens. So which digit I have to see? This. 2 is there. So 2 will come in tray number 1. Then there is no need to add here 1. So write here 5 and this 2 becomes as it is. Okay. Next here 108 is there. Ones, tens, hundreds means I need to see here what? 0. 0 will come in tray number 1 and here I will add here 1. Okay. So here there is no need to add 1 into what? 1. Remaining terms becomes 0. I will do direct here 100 into 0 0. 100 5s are 500. So this is the estimated product of the given number. Yes, dear students, while solving this multiplication now, you have to see here 108 is there, ones, tens. Here round off tens is there means you have to round off here nearest to tens only. And see here what will come. Here I have to see this nearest to tens is there means I have to see here tens place. Its round off number is 50 into, see here it is there ones place, you see it will come in train number 2, then you have to add here 1, so it becomes 110, 1 and I added here 1, that one, and this becomes 0. Next here 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0 is 0, again you add here 1, 0, 1 into 5, 5, 1, 1 to 5, 5, again you leave your 2 place, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 5 is, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 5 is 5. See here, 1 into 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 5 is 5, and here again 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 5 is 5. So here add here 0, 0, 5 and 5. So what will be the answer here? 5500 will be the answer. So this is the estimated product and this is the actual product of the number. See here, if you know this trick, then you can solve the examples easily. So here I have solved some examples from your exercise 1.3 and that is page number 12. Try to solve remaining examples and send to my personal number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.